Okay, so question 3 is a standard stem and leaf diagram question. We're told that we have the heights in centimeters of 18 children, and they are as follows, and we're asked to show this information in an ordered stem and leaf diagram. So just browsing through the numbers here, I see that we've got 80s, we've got 90s, hundreds, and then 110 and above. So the stem is going to consist of an 8, 9, a 10, and an 11. And now let's start to fill in our 80s. So I see we've got 84, we've got 88, and 89. And the lowest of those is going to be the 84, so I'll put a 4 here, and I'll cross this guy off. Then we've got the 8 and the 9. So cross them off and fill them in. Next, we're going to look at the 90s. So I've got 98, 90, 91, another 90, 97, another 91, 93, 92, and 95. So quite a few here. Let's be careful when we're putting them in. I see two 90s, so we need two zeros. Crossing them off. 91 and another 91, so let's cross them off and get them in. 1 and 1. We've got a 92 and a 93. Let's get those guys in. 92 and 93. We've got a 95, 97 and 98. So crossing them off and putting them in. 95, 97 and 98. Now we're into the hundreds. So we've got 102, 108, 103 and 106. So let's get those guys in. We've got a 2, a 3, an 8 and a 6, and we're going to cross those out. 2, 3, 8 and 6, and I've made a little mistake, so I'm going to change that. I shouldn't have 8 and 6, I should have 6 and 8 to make sure it's in order. And then finally we've got 110 and 115, so I'm going to put a 0 here and a 5 here, and then finally I'm going to check I've got 18 leaves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Fantastic, so I'm happy with that. Let's just circle them and cross them off so I know I've used them. And then finally, for the last mark, we have to make sure we include a key. They didn't give us the box in the exam question. We've got to put it in. So I'm going to say that 9 with the line and the 1 means 91 centimeters, and that should get us 3 marks.